Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Salesforce CRM using MFA, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a Salesforce account set up. Log into your Salesforce account using your username and password. Navigate to the settings menu by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select settings from the drop-down menu. In the settings sidebar, look for advanced user details. Click on Advanced User Details to access your security settings. Find the Multi-Factor Authentication option within the security settings. If MFA is not yet enabled, click on the toggle to turn it on. Next, choose your preferred method for receiving the MFA code. You can opt for SMS, email, or Authenticator app options. Follow the prompts to verify your chosen MFA method. If you select an Authenticator app, download it to your mobile device. Open the app and select the option to add a new account. Use your device's camera to scan the QR code provided by Salesforce. Once scanned, the app will generate a unique code. Next, return to Salesforce and enter the code from your Authenticator app. If you chose SMS or email, check your messages for the code sent by Salesforce. Input that code into the designated field on the Salesforce login page. After entering the correct MFA code, click Continue to log in. You should now be successfully authenticated with Salesforce using MFA. If you encounter any issues, ensure your code is entered within the time limit set by the MFA method. For future logins, repeat the process using your MFA method for verification. Always keep your mobile device or email accessible to receive the authentication code. That's how you authenticate with Salesforce CRM using multi-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.